A vital tool in the railroad industry, the SpikeEase is a battery-operated spike puller that weighs under 30 pounds, making it significantly lighter and more portable than traditional hydraulic spike pullers. It operates using a Milwaukee half-inch impact driver, allowing it to pull spikes in just 3 to 5 seconds with up to 20,000 pounds of force. This means you can pull up to 200 spikes per battery charge. No more dealing with bulky generators, hazardous hydraulic fluids, or cumbersome claw bars. This tool is perfect for tight spaces like bridges and tunnels. It cost $5,995. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Compact Pipe Threader offers a cordless solution that combines portability with power. It's designed with a brushless motor that can thread up to 2-inch black iron pipe, stainless steel, and rigid metal conduit with a maximum speed of 37 RPM. It also features an auto-stop technology that senses severe kickback and automatically shuts down the tool to prevent over-rotation. Plus, the integrated die head retention lock ensures that the dies won't slip during use. It's a lightweight design, weighing only 10.5 pounds. Makes it easy to handle. It's priced at $2,199, but for professional plumbers, it's worth every penny. The Walcom Air Blower Pro, the perfect tool for auto body shops and detailers. It's a high-performance tool designed to blow away dust, debris, and even water from surfaces. With its ergonomic design, this blower is comfortable to use for extended periods. The adjustable nozzle ensures you can target hard-to-reach areas with precision. The airflow settings let you control the intensity for different drying tasks, delivering up to 90 psi of air pressure. Want to know the price? The Walcom Air Blower Pro can be yours for $249, a smart investment for a flawless finish. If you're working with large diameter pipes, you know how crucial it is to have a heavy-duty, reliable fusion clamp. The Jackman Brute Socket Fusion Power Clamp is designed for socket fusion welding of thermoplastic pipes. It offers a secure grip and precise alignment, ensuring strong and reliable welds every time. The clamp is compatible with various pipe sizes, and it's engineered to withstand frequent use. This design allows for easy operation, making it suitable for both field work and workshop use. This kind of heavy-duty performance comes at a price, though. This one will set you back $2,995. The Cembre TW-18B, a battery-powered calibrated torque wrench designed for railway maintenance. This tool can apply up to 250 Newton-meters of torque, perfect for fastening bolts, screws, and nuts. It features an ergonomic design, low vibration, and is rain-proof with IP44M protection. Plus, it has a color display with preset programs and internal memory for work certification. The LED lights make it usable in low-light conditions. And the price for this advanced tool? It's about $4,500. Precision and power, all in one. Meet the Global Industrial 4-in-1 Portable Workbench, a versatile addition to any workspace. This workbench can also function as a scaffold, dolly, and creeper, making it an all-in-one solution for various tasks. It features a durable steel frame, adjustable height, and a large work surface. It comes with a built-in power strip for convenient tool usage. The sturdy steel frame can support up to 500 pounds. It's lightweight and foldable for easy transport and storage. All this functionality for $299, that's a lot of versatility in one package. The RUNPOTEC cable guide roller is designed for smooth and efficient cable installation, especially in 90-degree corners. Its sturdy construction and smooth rollers ensure cables are guided with minimal resistance, reducing the risk of damage. The build quality consists of aluminum heavy-duty rollers and stainless steel ball bearings with a load capacity of 1,500 kilograms. This tool is perfect for electricians and other professionals who need to run cables through complex pathways efficiently. This cable guide roller is yours for $150, making cable runs a breeze. You ever feel unsteady on a ladder? The Lockjaw ladder grip is here to solve that. This safety tool secures your ladder to gutters, ensuring stability and preventing slips or falls. It's easy to attach and adjust, providing a firm grip that enhances safety while you work at heights. With its rubber-padded adjustable jaw mechanism, it protects your gutters from damage. It can handle up to 300 pounds of force. Perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this tool adds a layer of security to all your ladder tasks. Just $130 for a whole lot more peace of mind. The Kreg panel carrier is designed to make transporting large sheets of plywood, MDF, or other panel materials incredibly easy. The ergonomic design reduces strain on your back and arms, and the adjustable clamp accommodates various panel thicknesses. The durable construction can support panels up to 3/4 inch thick and a max weight capacity of 100 pounds, making it ideal for plywood, drywall, and other sheet goods. The easy-to-use clamp system securely grips the panel, ensuring stability during transport. At $25, the Kreg panel carrier is a practical and affordable solution for anyone dealing with large panels. The Wagner PowerTex texture sprayer is perfect for adding texture to walls, ceilings, and other hard surfaces. It features a powerful turbine that eliminates the need for an air compressor, and it comes with 3 nozzles for creating popcorn, knockdown, and orange peel textures. Its 1-gallon hopper allows for extended use without frequent refills. Reduce arm fatigue with the built-in armrest. The design is lightweight and easy to clean, making your projects a breeze. At $119, this tool can save you a ton of time and effort. The WORKPRO Claw Bar is one of those tools that proves its worth the moment you use it. This tool is perfect for removing nails, lifting floorboards, and other demolition tasks. Every toolbox should have one of these handy claw bars. Its multi-function design allows for striking, prying, pulling, and comes in 2 sizes, 12-inch or 10-inch. With its tough forged steel construction, it can withstand serious abuse. The Comfort non-slip grip handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Tough and reliable for just $35, it's a must-have. The Leister Vacuum Plate 300 is a specialized tool designed for non-destructive testing of geomembrane and civil engineering seams. This tool is crucial in industries such as mining, landfills, waterproofing, and roofing, where it helps ensure the integrity and tightness of welded seams. It operates on 230 volts with a power consumption of 1100 watts. The vacuum strength can be regulated using the VariFlow valve, allowing precise control even for thin membranes. And all this power and versatility comes at a price of $1,500, offering great value for its capabilities. Lastly, we have the WORKPRO Cordless Reciprocating Saw. This versatile saw is perfect for cutting wood, metal, and plastic. It features a powerful 20-volt motor, variable speed control, and a tool-free blade change system. Its motor can reach up to 2,800 strokes per minute, making it suitable for a variety of cutting tasks. The cordless design ensures maximum mobility, allowing you to work efficiently without being tied down to an outlet. With its rechargeable lithium-ion battery, you can go from drained to fully recharged in 2 hours. This is a great tool for any DIY project or professional job, and for $80, it just got even better.